welcome back to the Ag Bio Rooftop Garden here at the University of Saskatchewan. My name is Katie.
And I'm Joel.
And today Joel is going to be asking me a couple questions.
Yeah, up on the rooftop garden we have mostly containers that we grow in. All the containers have drainage holes, but would it be a good idea to put gravel in the bottom? We never do, but...
Yes, so using gravel or pebbles or pottery shards or anything like that to improve drainage at the bottom of a container is actually a really common misconception. And there's a couple of reasons behind this, and they mostly just have to do with the natural properties of water. So first off, water really does not like to move between two different textures. So texture is the feel or the appearance of something. So I have something to show you what I mean by this. So in this container here, you have just a standard type of gravel. And in this container here, we just have a normal kind of potting soil. So as you can see, the gravel is really coarsely textured, right? It's really large. Whereas the potting soil is what's called really fine textured. So the particles are really, really small. So what happens is the water will move through the container until it reaches that layer of gravel when the texture changes like that. And then it'll just stop right there and it'll end up ponding. And then the second reason that has to do with the natural properties of water is that water is really attracted to itself. The water molecules really love to stick together. So it reaches that layer of gravel, it ponds, all of the water molecules stick together, and you end up with this really hyper-saturated layer of water over top of the gravel, and that's right in the root zone. And roots need oxygen to live. So what happens is that the roots have no oxygen and you end up with something called root rot, which will kill your plants. So it is a really good thing that you guys are not using gravel in the bottom of your containers here.
Not this time.
Not around. Nope. Thanks for joining us.